makes you sure you're all I need. Forget about.
Hi, my beautiful devyss. It's your queen, Devil, back with another video. So today we're playing a Ragdoll engine. So hope you guys enjoy this beautiful video. Okay. Okay. Okay, I pushed one of them. First and then whee. Let's go finish. Push some people. Shit. Oh, frick. I wanted them to go outside. I pushed. So, yeah. Oh. Okay. I want to push this girl, but I wasted it down there. This girl don't even know how to do it here. Oh no, I wasted it. Whatever. She honestly really dumb. Stand still, girly. My god, this girl won't stand still. Go down. Go. Oh my god, this girly, I'm trying to help her, but like... Okay. Let's go, kids. Oh, well.